This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so what is the topic, guys? Topic is, I mean, in our previous class, I have explained in creating Salesforce account or Salesforce org, right? Okay, that is a developer free org. We have created a free developer Salesforce account. Does everyone created? Do you have any doubts in creating a developer org?
Yes, sir.
Everyone means everyone. How many people? 38 people are there. I'm asking about the 38 people, sir. Anyone has any question? Any doubts in creating a Salesforce free account? You should create it.
No doubts, sir.
Nice. Let's see here. Now, overview. That's it. So the today topic is what? So let's log in. How to log in? Login.salesforce.com URL. You can enter it, and you can see this URL. So in your Gmail, right? Yes. Next, and give your username and password. Like how other applications we are able to log in. So here also we can log in easily, same way. Okay. So by default, whoever created a new account, it will be in lightning mode. So let me explain one more time. It will be like this, guys. Okay, I'm just explaining. I already explained in our previous class, but now also I'm explaining. So it will be like this, guys. When you log in for the first time, so this is called lightning view. Okay, so lightning view and classic view, both differences I told. So what is the difference? Rich look is available in lightning. Lightning means it is a rich look. A guy with a rich look dress, if he wear, right, that is called lightning. I'm just comparing, guys. And classic means it is a like normal look, a middle. So class guys, how you wear the shirts, right, same way. So that look is nothing but a classic. But so lightning, if you open, it takes time, guys, to load. So that means loading issues are there in lightning. That means, I mean, not in lightning, full lightning. When you load the first time, you get a loading issue. That means it will take time to load. But in classic, it is very quick. That is the difference. Okay, next. So how to move from lightning to classic? So you can see the icon here. Just click on the icon. Okay, this is called classic view. Okay, classic view. Classic view overview. Let's say. So first, for few days, we will discuss about the classic view, and once we are in a right position, then I will explain about the lightning view, everything admins. Okay, I will cover classic admin and as well as a lightning admin. Nothing is there in the lightning admin. At that time you get to know. Until then you feel, so how to navigate lightning? So don't afraid about a lightning admin. Okay, I will explain clearly, and that is very easy. Okay, so once this is done, right, so some people, non-techies are there, right, they might definitely get confused. What is this one? How to operate all these kind of things? So let's see here. So from here to here, this is called a header part. Think is this one. What is this one? First is what? Header part. Array section, header section. I can say it as a section. Non-techies, for your purpose, I told this keyword header part, but you can use this one header section like that. Okay. So first we will go header section. First, what is this one? Salesforce. This is what? Releases. Actually, in Salesforce also follows Agile software lifecycle. I will tell you in detail about Agile software lifecycle in the project explanation. And here Salesforce has 3 releases every year. Okay, 3 releases every 4 months. 1 release will be there generally. That means, what is the release means? So suppose they have created this feature in this release. After 4 months, they updated the code. A extra feature they have added. So generally, like that kind of things happen in releases. Okay. So that means what? Suppose I am implementing one project. See here, I am implementing one project. After 4 months, so my project implementation will next. So I have added so many things in the project, right? All those added things will be displayed in the next 4 months, right? Same way here also. Now you have seen all these features, okay? Now after 4 months, so a new release will be added. Extra features might be added here. So in the development, in the admin parts, right, so they will add extra features. So generally that will happen in the releases. Okay, in a high level I'm saying, so that everyone can easily understand. Next thing is this one. What is this? This is called a search, a Salesforce search, right? I can say it as a global search. It's like a Google search, right? It is like a Google search. Okay, that's it. It is like a Google search, guys. What is the benefit of this one? So we can search records from this search box, from this global search box. We can search records or data. Simply, if you don't use this word, you can use data also. You can search data from this one. It's like we entered into the summer release, I guess. Okay, let me check. If you want to see, right, if you have any doubts about the current release, right, if we don't follow, right, let's see here. Suppose you go to lightning experience, here question mark is there, right? You can click on the question mark and you can go to releases. Can you see view release note? Click on this one. Okay, and what is this one? Winter 21 release you are in. Totally how many releases? See here, previous releases, summer. So now it is winter 21 release. If you have any doubts or any confusion, if you don't follow the releases, right? Generally in real time we don't follow the releases. And okay, and if you want to know, right, you go here, check it here. That's it. And these are the features that are added by Salesforce in this release. Okay, like that. And suppose if you want to check the previous release, you click on this one, summer 20, and check it here. Okay, like that. So every year, how many releases are there? 3 releases are there. Summer 20, spring, winter. That means, so 12 months, right? Every 4 months, one release is there. That means 3 releases are there. Winter, spring, summer. Every year. Winter, summer, spring, winter, like that. Summer, spring, winter. Winter, spring, summer. Every year, 3 releases are there. Clear? And how to go? Go to lightning experience, see the question mark, and come down in the bottom. You can see view release notes. Directly you go here. Okay, that I will explain while I am explaining about the lightning experience. Okay, but however you have asked the question, just I am showing you the navigation. Okay, don't bother about the releases right now. Clear? Next, where are we? Here, search, right? Okay, suppose I want to search some data. Let's see here. Take some data. I'm just taking any one data. What is the name, guys? Edge is name, right? Suppose Edge communications are there. So here, go here, Edge, right? EDGE, Edge, and click on the search button. Okay. So you can see, actually, as of now, you don't know anything about Salesforce. So you can call data. This is data, guys. This is data. This is data. This is data. So the technical name for this one is what? Record. And this is object. Okay, account object, contact object, opportunity object, generally. But don't bother, you are in a starting stage, right? You don't need to learn all these things. I have not explained anything. Right now you think onwards, this is a data, this is data, that's it. Okay, wherever edge is there, there you get. Wherever edge is there, there. See here. Here edge is there, here edge is there, here edge is there. That's why all edge data you have received it. This is like a Google search, right? If you Google it, you will get the data. Same way this one also. That is called global search. It will be used to search your data. Okay, we can search data from this global search box. Clear? That's all. That is enough. Next, switch to lightning experience. What is this one? Switch to lead. What is the use of this one, guys? We already seen, right? What is the use of this one? We can move from classic view to lightning view. That's it. By clicking on this one, we can move from classic to lightning view. Just now I have showed you, right? That's what. That's why I'm not showing again. Next, third one. So where you can see Mohan 9th batch. Can anyone say this Mohan 9th batch? While I'm creating Salesforce account, so I have given the first name and last name. Okay, while I am filling. So did you remember developer.salesforce.com?
Username.
And click on the sign up. Here I have given first name and last name. Did you remember? I have given, so this one only, Mohan 9th batch. Okay, that's what. Now what is this one? I told on the right, user, right? So this is the user. So next is what? Third one is what? User drop down. User, what is that one? Drop down, right? So non-techies, if you are not familiar with this name, we can say it as a drop down. This is what? Drop down. Okay, this is what? A drop down. A box will be there and values will be there. That is called one drop down. The technical name is what? Drop down. Next. So here so many options are there, right? Now I have filled all these details. This is called my user, and I want to see my user details. How to see? And you need to click on this one. You can see my settings. Click on my settings. One by one we will see. Okay, in my settings you can see these are all my related things only. My personal things, my display layout, all these kind of things are my related. And here also you can see, so change password. Suppose I want to change my password, so you need to click on this one. Okay, so here what you can see, current password, that means old password you need to give, and a new password you need to give. And also on that day I told, right, you need to remember the security question and answer also. Okay, you can fill all these details also, then you can change it. So this is one way of changing the password, guys. One way of changing the password. User drop down, right? In the user drop down, what are the things you can do? Under my settings, okay, in the user drop down under my settings, what are the things? One is what? You can change the password. Next, we will see one by one. Okay, okay, nice, right? Okay, let's go again here, my settings, and here go to personal, and you can see a lot of things are there in the personal. Expand it and minimize it. You can see plus symbol is nothing but expand, and minus symbol, so that means collapse, like that. Okay, next, personal information, click on it, and you can see my first name, my last name. So first name, here I have given, this is my first name, and here I have given my last name. So while I'm creating a free Salesforce account, I have given like that. So this first name and last name is attached here, first name and last name. This alias automatically taken by Salesforce, and email that I have given here, whatever email, where guys, here I have given, so that email only, so here it is copying. Next, username also I have given, so here, so that username only copied here, and nickname is given by Salesforce. And I told, right, so phone number, if you want to add some So you can add your phone number here, extension, mobile number, everything you can add here, guys. Okay, and address you can add here. Company, I told company, right? So generally, so company name, what we can give. So to whom this project is there? In our demo class, second demo or third demo class, so I have explained about one project like Act Fiber project. Did you remember? So Act Fiber is a company and they are doing their business and they want a software. So if they want a software, they don't have IT peoples to implement that one. They went to Accenture people and Accenture people implemented that one. And you are the employees in Accenture company. Remember, you are the employees in the Accenture company and you are working in this project. So now to whom you are working? Act Fiber company you are working. So the company name should be Act Fiber. Why? Because who is paying all this amount and who is using this application in real time? The Act Fiber company sales reps are using this application which you are implementing. Okay, Act Fiber company sales reps or Act Fiber company service team or Act Fiber company marketing team are using this application in live. Okay, and Act Fiber company owner is paying money to Salesforce company to get this so license, and Act Fiber company is paying money to Accenture company. That means you, they are paying money to you to implement this application. So finally, who is the end user? So in real time, they might ask, I mean in interviews also they might ask, who is the end user for your project? End users, sales reps, service reps, marketing reps. Generally, you can say sales reps like that. Those are the end users for my. End users is nothing but who is using exactly your application. You have implemented the application. After a few months, the implementation is completed, and you are handovering to Act Fiber. In Act Fiber end, who are using? So many teams are there in the Act Fiber, but who are using exactly? A sales team or a service team or some other team? That's what you need to tell. A sales reps are using my application, so that is called end user. Okay, this word will be used in interviews or in real time. End user means live business user who is using your implemented application or a project. Okay, that's called end user, guys. Next, so Act Fiber is the client. I can say it as a client. So or a company. Non-tech is, so technical people they can easily understand, non-technicals. So in your project you put client. Who is your client? They will ask who is your client. So client means to whom you are working. Act Fiber. So which people are using this application once you implemented? That is called client company. Okay, Act Fiber. Here client and here company, both are same. Okay, next. So title, department, anything if you want you can give. Start day, any day. Okay, save it. Okay, already saved, right? Oh, next. This is called personal information. Next. So change my password. Previously I showed, right? You can go to same page only. So shortcuts they have given, guys. Shortcuts. Simply if you click on this one, so a links will be added. See here, shortcut means. Let me show you again one more time for your purpose. If you open my settings automatically here, right? You don't need to go to, if you want to change a password, you don't need to go to personal or you don't need to click on the change password. Directly a shortcut links, quickly access links given. You can click it, go it. Automatically when you click it, it will take you to this page only. You want to see? Click it and see here, change my password is highlighted. However, it is taking this page, but those are quick accesses. Next, so language and time zone. Okay, so generally we follow this Pacific, I mean American time zone. or if you want, you can follow Indian time zone also. So where is Indian time zone? Plus 5:30, right? Here, plus 5:30. So Indian Standard Time Zone, Asia Colombia, or Kolkata, you can take it as plus 5:30. You can follow. So where you can, how could we, I mean, where it is reflects in here, where it is reflect. While creating a data, this time will be reflex. There you can see. Okay, at the time I will explain. And see here. So local, English or any language. And you know one more thing, if you are implementing an application, so that application can be used in two different countries also. Suppose ActiFiber, so as established a new branch in suppose a different country like France, think it as a France, and USA and France in both countries, so they have established the ActiFiber company. Now both country peoples are there. They want to use your application. France peoples, they don't want to see in English. So all your application they want to see in French only. Okay, and for them, for their users, you need to select French here. I'm just giving one example. If you, so Japan, take, so your ActiFiber is also implemented in Japan. So Japan peoples will select Japan country. Egypt peoples will select Egypt country. That means, so here you are seeing in English, right? Okay. Now once you select that language, and that will change into their language like that. Okay. Take this one, English, Dutch, you can see here. Language, French, Italian, some other language is there, right? Japanese language, Dutch. Select Dutch and save it. Language. And you can see here, it is loading. It is very slow. Looks like I moved to different location. Now today I'm in different location, guys. What is this language? Okay, just I'm kidding, guys. Okay, see here. This is what Dutch language. It will be displayed in a Dutch. Okay, so that means the ActFiber company has, I mean, a branch in Dutch. Okay, then Dutch business users are there. Dutch, so sales reps are there. If they want to use your application, okay, then you need to convert this language for Dutch business users in their language. This can be used only for Dutch business users. Okay, and whoever using in normal other languages, they can go with English like that. Okay, but in real time, what happened, you know, so for a few of the projects you need to implement, so France, I mean English and Canada are like that also, English or French like that, some other English or Japan like that will be there. Okay, so not only here, see if you change language, it's not completed. While in development, so you need to add that language in so many places. Okay, that's you need to remember. Next, change it to English. English local. Where is this one? English, 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 English. Oh, sorry. First, change the language. Local, local. Okay. Here I can say. Actually, the words here it is using a different. Now I changed the language and automatically local is also changed. So you can see thoroughly. Okay. Generally, United States only English we follow. So leave it like that. Email encoding. Generally, while so if you want to send an email, right? Actually, from Salesforce also we can send different emails, and from emails also outside emails will come to Salesforce also, and we can create data also here with the help. So generally this is a common so email encoding, guys. Okay, we used to follow this one, standard one, not only for Salesforce, normal so emails, right? Generally we follow the standard one. US Western, so Europe this one. Okay, and save it. This is what language local time zone. Next. So grant access, no need, no need, no need, no need, no need, no need. Login history, if you want to see, you can see here. So login history, who log in, and see here, I logged in from which location with this IP address. That's what it will tell. Okay, that is a login history. That I will explain. So in development again, in clearly. Okay, during the time of integration, I will explain clearly about this one. Right now, just so login means at what time we have login, at what time GMT time, which IP address. So like that. Okay. Next, advanced user details. So click on the advanced user details, and here you can see name, alias. So my details. Here I have given that user, right? My details. So I mean, along with my previous details, so many other details also there. My first name, my last name, which I have given here, right? So first name, last name, all these details. And alias given by Salesforce, my email, my username, nickname is given by Salesforce. If you want to add title, company, all these things are added. Right now, forget about role. This is separate topic. Profile is separate topic. License is separate topic. And these are all separate topics, guys. At that time, I will explain. Okay. And these are settings, guys. These are all settings. Configuration, marketing users, cloud users, all these are settings. And here you can see a normal details, street, like that. Okay. Address details. Next, local details. That is enough, guys. And if you want to update it and save it. Okay. So that's all about advanced user details, and don't go in depth. Whenever the topic comes, right, at that time we will cover all these kind of things. Advanced user details, and also you can see login history also. My login history. Okay, in the user drop down, you can see these are the main things. So that is enough, guys. Okay, next, setup. Okay, before going to this one, any questions till here? Nothing is there. Just if you have any questions, let me know. No problem. I can clarify things. No questions? Okay, next. Third option is what? Setup, right here. Next. Okay. Click on the setup. So, did you observe one point here, guys? Can you see left side? So, some features are given. If you click on the setup, this features option is displayed. Did you observe this one? Let's go here. Normal. Did you see left side? That features are not available. So, click on any tab. Any tab. So, features are not there. Left side features are there. That is not there. Admin features or development configuration features. Those are what? Configuration features. Those are not there, right? So, you click on setup. Now, these configuration features are there, right? Okay. So, if you click on setup, you can see configuration features. Salesforce features, okay, for developers, for admins, for all. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So that means if you want to configure anything, you need to go to setup only. If you want to configure anything, what is your option? You need to go to setup, and from here you can so select whatever it is needed and use it. That's what. And here they have given so many things, right? Don't afraid. These all features are given for different clouds. Few features can be used in marketing cloud, few features can be used in service cloud, few features can be used in cloud, I mean sales cloud. Whatever it may be, they have given all features here. Okay, that's what. And in real time, suppose you are working in a company and in one project you don't use at least 20% of these features also, and in another project you might use some other features, whatever it may be. But if you go to any project, so couple of features are there, those are common, that we will see in our trainings. Common features, wherever you go, those features will be used in any kind of cloud. Okay, so that features we will see in our admin classes. Next, suppose if I don't remember one feature and I don't know how to go this way and I don't know how to go this way, suppose take that feature name, this is one feature, think in that way. Okay, directly quick find search box is there, right? You can search here, automatically that will be displayed. This is also search, guys. If you remember like that, you can search it. Okay, you can see here. Suppose one feature is there, see here, with account how many are there, so all these are displayed, and whatever feature you want, particular feature, click on it, get it. So that is the benefit of the search. This search is different from this search. This search is searched only for data. This is called global search. So global search is used to fetch data only, and global search will not be used to fetch or to search configuration items. Okay, note it down here. Where is the global search? We cannot search or fetch configuration items or features. That's it. Okay, with the help of global search you cannot fetch or you cannot search configuration items. You can search only data. So when you get a clear picture about the data and configuration items when you are working, okay, so that means whenever the topics are completed you get a clear picture about those things going forward. Now configuration items only you can say, and with the help of this search can we get the data? No, again with the help of this quick find search you can get only configuration items. That's it. Okay, setup QUICK quick find search box. Okay, so with this we can search only configuration items, and we cannot search data like global search. Next. Okay, that's what. So that in detail we will see going forward what are the features we will be used, and those features we will discuss in the training later. Next, help. So click on help button, no problem. Next is what? Note it down, help. So my intention of this overview is you should be familiar with this one. Suppose if you go to a new area, suppose you go to US, okay, you are very afraid about that place because you don't know the places, right? So your brother took you to just in a car, right? Your brother took you to some of the places, and with the road you just so check what are the things are available, what is this place like that, but you don't stay in one place like that. You don't go in depth about the places, just in a high level in a road you are going and seeing the areas, so that at least you get an idea about that area and you don't so get afraid. I mean to say you don't be afraid, I mean you don't afraid about the area. For that purpose your brother took you to that area just like that. Same way, to avoid your afraidness and to avoid your confusion, I'm just giving a overview about this one. Overview means in a high level I'm explaining, so that next time when you log in you can understand what is this one, what is this one, what is this one in a high level. Okay, that for that purpose I'm just giving overview. Now the topic is what? Help. So what is the benefit of the help? Here you get all Salesforce documents. You get all Salesforce documents. Take one Salesforce document. See here, objects. Simply search it. This is a search, and this is what? Help.salesforce.com. Salesforce website, and here you get any document, any kind of, see here, with respect to object, any other documents are there, you get all the documents. See here, document, object relationship, manage custom objects, standard objects, custom objects, like the topics are there, right? You get, and just click on it. Don't go in depth, don't think about what is standard object also, forget about that one, I will explain going forward. Just see what I'm saying. Okay, that's it. Document will be there, you can read. And however, so in my training I will explain and I will provide all the class notes. Okay, so today I have yesterday not provided, right? Today I will provide, whoever paid the amount, right, for them. So you will get today, guys, documents. You have shared your emails, right? So you can accept the Google Drive and you will get the documents. Next. So along with these documents, any other things we will get from the help? Any other things, you know? Okay. You can create a case with salesforce.com. Along with this one, you can create a case with Salesforce. What is this case with Salesforce? You can write an issue with Salesforce. Why it is needed? Okay. Now, let's see here. Let me explain clearly. You are working in a project, right? Think this is a whole project. This is a whole project. You are working in a project. Now, who is your client? Act Fiber is your client. And you are working in Accenture company. And this is what? Salesforce company. Okay, that's it. This is what? Act Fiber. Your end user, client. Okay. Producer, like if it is a movie, he is the producer and he is the director. Accenture is the director. If you compare with movie. Okay. Salesforce company. That's it. Okay. Now a project involves, so these companies. So you are working in Active Fiber. Okay. I mean, you are working in Accenture company, and for Active Fiber is the client. What is the benefit of this Salesforce? Salesforce, from Salesforce only they need to buy the license, right? Nice. Now, what is this one? Raise a case with Salesforce. Suppose, I'm just giving one example. I'm working in this project and I have got one technical issue. Suppose I have got one technical issue. So that technical issue in development, so to be resolved by you only. You are the developer, you need to resolve that technical issue. Whether you can take other developers' help or you can Google it, get it and resolve it. Nice. It is very good. Normal process. Suppose you get a feature issue. Suppose I am using one feature and here I got one issue. Feature itself got issue. Like you are ordered a Amazon product and the product is a defect. It's having a defect, and to whom you can contact? You can contact to Amazon only, right? Hey, this product is not good, so I'm going to return it, and you can send another product. So you are raising a case with Amazon company because of the product is defect. Same way, think these are all products for Salesforce. That I'm just, if you compare, okay, these are all features from Salesforce. So any one feature we have an issue while working in real time. We have an issue. So in that situation, what happened? You are from Accenture. Think you are working for Accenture, right? You need to raise a case with Salesforce.com company. You need to raise a case with Salesforce.com company. In the Salesforce.com company, different teams are there. They will pick up your case, okay, and they will resolve your issue. Simply in a high level, I'm explaining. They will pick up your case and issue. They will resolve it. Okay. So how we need to do? How we can raise a case with Salesforce.com? Let's see. You need to go to help, and you can click create a case from here, guys. Okay. That I will show you. Not now. You need to log into this one, and support will be there. you need to click on that one. So there you get to know. Okay, contact support. Here can you see bottom contact support? You need to click on this one, and again you need to logging into that one, and you need to create. It will take you help and training. See here, it will take this page. Where are you? In this only, and you can sign up or login. So you need to logging in, and I will show you this one. So after a few more days, not now. It's not needed. You don't understand. Okay, like that you need to logging in and create a case. This is what help. With the help of help, what are the benefits? Can anyone say? Type it if you want, or say it. Two benefits I told with the help of help. One is what one? What?
To search the Salesforce documents.
Get Salesforce documents. Next, second
Contact
one.
the customer. To contact
Yes.
customer care of that Salesforce for features.
Contact Salesforce.com company customer care support. Actually, I can say it as a developer support or admin support. Here, customer care are nothing but developer or admin or a developer support. In a professional word, this is the okay. That's one. Next. So we have seen all these things, right? A global switch, release, switch lightning, and drop down, setup, help. Next, one more drop down. This is what? Application drop down. Application. So drop down. Okay, that's it. So shortcut name is what? Apps menu. Apps menu. I think you might have heard about menu. Mobiles, right? If you open a mobile, open menu icon. Hey, open menu icon. That's what you can hear, right? So generally, so there you are calling as a menu icon, right? Here you can call it as apps menu or application drop down. No problem. For time being, okay, you can call it as application drop down. And here you can see different applications. And one more thing, few people will get a confusion, right? Sir, what is this application? Is it like a Android application? Some people definitely, if they have other technology knowledge or at least a common sense, they might have asked this question. And my answer is no. It is not like an Android application. Even some people will ask, so sir, if you implement an application to Actifiber, so is that kind of application? I can say it as in few cases yes, and in few cases no. Okay, in few cases yes, and in few cases no. So it might be like that, and it might not be also like that. Okay, so based on the project, if they want to use this application like this kind of application, they can use it, and from this application they can navigate to whatever they needed. Okay, and some of the applications they don't use it. So whatever it may be, the main benefit we are going to see. Okay, the main benefit. Simply you can see it as an application. What we can do with the help of application. Okay, let's see here. We will see this one later, guys. I will explain this one later. Keep it with you. Next. Once this is done, again we will come back to application, guys. Once this is done, again we will come back to application. Let's see. What is this one? What is this one? Tab section.
Tab section.
Tab section. Okay. Okay. Tab section. In this section, you can see all these are tabs. And what are the tab names? Home. This tab name is home. This tab name is charter. This tab name is so campaigns. This tab name is leads. This tab name is accounts. This tab name is contacts. Like that. All these are tabs, and collection of the tabs, right? That is called a tab section. Okay. Now let's go to one by one tab. So you are in a setup, right? You are in a setup. That's why you are seeing the configuration section, right? Now click on any one of the tab and observe left side. It is changed. So the configuration section is gone away. Now you are not in a setup option. So you are in a tab. So this is what. Lot of things are there. So all these things you get to know once the records are completed. Until then, just see the screen, leave it. Click on the chart. Don't go in depth always. Right now, it's a overview, right? Let's see here. This is how this one leads. Let's see. I will explain what is leads also. I mean, not now, later. This is what, okay? Campaigns. From these tabs, actually we can create the and update the data. Okay, we can create and update the data generally. I'm just giving, see here, if you click on new, you can fill the data and save it. This is called data. So from this one, you create the data, guys. I'm not showing you. Okay, I'm just giving you overview. Data we can create from the tabs generally. So these are the tabs, right? Okay, now very nice. Let's see. Remember, left side, what are the tabs are available? Home, charter, campaigns, leads, right? Let's change the application. Service, from sales to service. Can you see? Tabs are changed. Okay. For sales, different tabs are there. For service, different tabs are there. Okay. And go to marketing also. Different other tabs are there for marketing, right? So from this one, what you understand? What is the application drop down menu use case? The main use case. Display or hide tabs. The name itself is called what? Control the tabs. That's it. What is the controlling means? What? Display and hide or arrange the places. Okay, that's what we will see. So we can control the tabs. So in the back end, all tabs are available. So see here, in sales, we have seen so many tabs. In service, we have seen some other tabs. All these tabs are available in the cloud database. Think in that way. But if you open sales, we are displaying few tabs. And if you open some other application service, and we are displaying some other tabs. But all these tabs are displaying. It's like, simply guys, go to kitchen. In kitchen, suppose I want to cook today egg curry and I use some items, right? Think the service is like egg curry. Okay, today so cooking is what? Egg curry. These are the items I use for cooking egg curry. And next, sales is like cabbage curry. Okay, and for cabbage curry, these are the items I can use. It's like that one. Okay, so this is for sales cloud. This is for sales cloud. Next, I will explain in the project clearly, or after a few more days also. Don't bother about that one. Temporarily, if you want, it's a sales cloud. But you can see all these features in any cloud. Remember that point. Same features you can see in all clouds. That's what. And one more thing. Some people already asked, requested the question. So, do you have any difference? So, with free org to live org, I told on the day, there is no difference. Whatever you are viewing here, right? Everything you are going to see in real time. So that is a big benefit in Salesforce, guys. Pinpoint, including pinpoint also, that will be available in real time. So if you are working in training, right? If you practice very well, same things you are going to see in live also. Okay, all these features will be available in live. You don't see the screen difference also. Next. So what is the app benefit? You can control the tabs, guys. That means you can display and hide the tabs. Now, next, go to tab section. Now, what we can do with the help of tab? Suppose, guys, suppose I want to remove dashboards, reports. I want to remove reports and dashboards from this tab section. From this tab section, I want to remove. So reports and dashboards, a simple requirement. Remove. Guys, we are not getting into project right now. Remember, in that demo class, I told, right, all scenarios will be covered in project oriented, right? Still, we are not entered into the project. We are very basic. We are in very basic. Once we learned about object and those things, so when we are creating object, right, at that time, we will start working on the project scenarios. Okay. Until then, this is overview. Remove reports and dashboards tabs from tab section. Okay, how? Let's see here. Click on the plus symbol, guys. Can you see plus symbol? Click on it. It is highlighted. And can you see customize my tabs? Click on it. And here you can see here. So selected tabs and available in Salesforce. These are all tabs available. Okay, and few of the tabs are used for one application, and few of the tabs are used for different application. How could we know for which application these tabs are available? Can you see here which application is highlighted? Sales application. Why? Because it is selected here. That is the reason it is highlighted here. Okay, so these are the selected tabs. Selected tabs means you can see which are displaying here is nothing but a selected tabs. So first is what? Home tab. Can you see first home? Next you can see here charter. See my mouse, charter, and you can go here in the selected tabs, charter. And third, campaigns, you can see third, campaigns, and fourth, leads. Here you can see fourth, order also see here. And last, what is this one? Dashboards. You can go bottom, you can see dashboards, and above reports, and here you can see reports. Okay, here you can see reports, and above reports the products are there. You can see products. So order also, here it is displaying the order. Now, so if any tab is added here, that is displaying here. Can anyone say now? Tell me. So I want to remove reports and dashboards. What is that meaning here is from here I want to remove these two tabs. Okay, how to remove? So select these two tabs, and left side here you can see add and remove. Bottom is remove button, add is the top button. So once you select reports, right, see here you can select both or you can select one, that is your wish. So select both and click on the bottom button which is highlighted, click on it. So that's it. In bottom, reports and dashboards are removed from the selected tabs. That means if you save it, these two tabs will be removed from this one. And where these two tabs gone, it moved to left side. This arrow symbol is moved what? Left side. That means moving right side items to left side. That's called removing. So you can see reports, right? Reports and dashboards. See here, reports is moved from right side to left side. Dashboards also. Okay, and for which application? Sales application. See here, and now save it. Now you can see reports and dashboards are gone away. You have removed it. You are in what? Sales application. So now tell me, what is the navigation, guys, to remove? Navigation, tell me.
Go to customize tabs.
Customize tab.
Go to
On plus, step by step.
Plus symbol. Plus symbol. Click on plus symbol.
Next.
Go to customize.
customize. Click on customize.
Customize my tabs.
So next, click on
Customize.
Customize
customize my tabs button. Once you click on, you are in this page. Okay, let's see. So let me show you one more time. Next requirement I will give you, and you can work on this one. Next, I want to remove these opportunities from the sales app. I want to remove this application. Now tell me, guys, quickly.
Click on plus icon.
Plus icon.
Then go to my customized tabs.
Customize my tabs. Click on it. Nice. And here,
Under that,
check
under
on which application you are. You need to check this one also. On which application you are.
sales.
Save.
Sales.
Right. And now, what is my requirement? I need to remove opportunities. Tell me what I need to do.
Under selected tabs,
Select
we need to
the
remove
Selected tabs.
opportunities.
opportunities tab and selected tabs.
And I
And
need to
remove
click
and
on
remove. On remove.
this button move right from right to left, and the opportunities moved right. And next, click on save it.
Save.
Nice. That's it. So opportunities are gone away from the sales application. Nice. Next, go to suppose go to now my requirement is next requirement, remove account from service application. Okay, so two solutions are there, solution 1 and solution 2. I want to go, let's see. Now I want to remove accounts tab from service application. Tell me, first solution, go to
You can
service
admin.
application,
Service.
select service application, and next accounts tab here, right? I need to delete it. Tell me, go to plus symbol.
Click on
Plus
plus
symbol.
symbol.
Nice. Next click on
Go
customize
to
my tabs.
tabs.
Nice. And here in which application you are?
Service.
Service application.
Service application. Nice. And I want you to remove account. Select it, remove it, and save it.
And save it.
That's it. So accounts tab is not there here, right? Nice. Suppose now my question is, so that is one solution. Very nice. What is this one? Plus symbol, old pattern. Customize and remove it. That's it. Next, second solution. One second. Let me add same accounts. Okay. Now I have added. See here, guys. Go to service. Sorry, I have added accounts here. I want to remove accounts. I am in sales application. So one solution you told, that is right. Okay. Second solution. Second solution I will tell you. Don't worry. If you have any common sense, you can tell, guys. No problem. Don't go to service application without going to service application. So you can remove accounts tab from service application. If you use your common sense, you can
symbol.
Click on plus symbol.
Symbol.
go to customize my
Customize
tabs,
tab.
My tabs.
and here
And top
drop
of
In
the
custom apps, I have to change
custom apps, we
service.
can select service.
exactly. It is a drop down, so you can see all the applications which are displaying here. Okay, that's what. And you can change the application name here directly. You can change the tabs, remove the tabs. That's it. Okay, so if you want to confirm, right, you go to service application, check it. Accounts tab will not be there. That's it. Okay, two solutions, same customize, and here you can see it. That's it. Next, one more requirement. So I want to move reports tab after home button. In service application, I want to move reports tab after home tab. That's it. Display reports tab after home tab and before charter tab. How to do it? Again, you need to go to plus symbol, click on the customize symbol, tabs, and what is my requirement?
Up and down.
Up and down.
Select, exactly,
down.
right. Select reports, and right side you can see. As of now, you have used only this weapons, and now you can use. Okay,
Yes.
so use up, wherever you want, you can paste it. Okay, click on save button. That's it, reports. Okay, like that. So you can change the order. So now, what is the benefit of the, plus symbol or customize my tab? So what is the benefit of that one? You can change the order and you can add or remove the tabs, right? Okay. Now what we can do with the help of applications? Now tell me, application can control two things from here. What is that one? One is display or hide the tabs, and second one is what? Like arrange locations. Okay, places in the tab place. With the arrange the tab place with the help of customize my tabs option. Okay, so you can display or hide the tabs So with the help of, or again, if you don't want, leave it, no problem. You don't need to add also, simply. So we can display or hide the tabs. That means we can control the tabs with the help of application. And so with the help of tab section, customize my symbol, what we can do is we can delete the tabs for a particular application, and we can erase the tabs positions for a particular application. Okay, see here, I have deleted accounts tab here in the service, but the accounts tab will be available in the service, I mean sales. If you add, right, it is available. So that means if you delete a tabs, that will be reflected to the particular application only. Remember that point. Nice. So tab section is completed. So overview is completed, guys, in a high level, and the remaining things, right? So going forward, you will see. Okay, the recycle bin will be used. Okay, you know what is the meaning of recycle bin? Normally in your laptop, if you delete anything, that will be moved to recycle bin. In your mobile also, if you delete, that will be moved to recycle bin. Same here also, if you delete data, remember, if you delete data, the data will be moved to recycle bin. That we will see going forward. So that's all about high level overview, guys, so that now you are familiar with all these things. So now you understand what is this, 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 what is this. All these things you understand. Now we are put. Okay. In tomorrow class, we will start object. What is Salesforce object? All these kind of things. So just a recap, guys. 5 minutes recap. Class is completed. So this is what release. This is what Salesforce icon, and this is a global search. And we can use this global search to search data only, and we can't search configuration items. Okay, where the configuration items are available? In the setup only, the configuration items are available. If you click on the setup link, the configuration items will be available, and those features you can't search from here. You can search only data. Next, next one is what? Switch to lightning. You can move to lightning view from here. Next, and user drop down. So with the help of user drop down, if you click on my settings, so you can see a lot of things. What are those, guys? Here I showed you, right? You can change your password, update personal details, language details, login history, advanced details. All these kind of things you can update it in the user drop down. Next, setup. So if you click on setup, so Salesforce will display all configuration features. And if you want to search the configuration, any feature, okay, if you don't know the navigation where it is available, directly search it so that you will get it simply. Okay, that's where simply. Okay, and you can search only configuration items, and you can't search data from here. Remember that point also. Next, help. With the help of help, we can do two things. One is we can get the documents from Salesforce, and another one is we can create a sales with. So we can create a case for Salesforce.com company. Okay, contact support. Next, this is our app menu, array app application drop down. With the help of this application, so we can control the tab section. So that's next. This is what tab section, and in this tab section, number of tabs will be displayed based on the application only. And to arrange the tabs different positions, to delete the tabs with respect to application, you can use a plus symbol and customize my tabs button. Okay, that's it. So that's all about the recap, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about the overview, and from tomorrow onwards we will start so about object, all these kind of things.